Hey everyone, I am Max Stoiber. I am a staff software engineer at Gatsby, and I am most widely known for making style components and React boilerplate to relatively big open source projects in the React.js ecosystem. I live in Vienna, in Austria, in my apartment here, and usually work remotely from home. So this is my normal setup that you're seeing right now. Style components is a CSS and JS library for React. That means it makes it simpler or easier to style React applications from the ground up by sort of tying styles from the CSS to a component, to a specific component. And it's gotten relatively popular. It's one of the biggest CSS and JS libraries in the React ecosystem and is quite widely used by a lot of apps that use React. We welcome really all kinds of contributions, honestly. Anything that you can help with, we would love it. Specifically, probably the core library is gotten a little bit complex as we sort of optimize it for performance and making it fast. And it's relatively stable, but we need quite a bit of help with extensions for code editors. We need help with the documentation. The documentation could always be improved, both the website, which is a React website, and the content. Our documentation could always be better. It's one of the most important things about the project, since everybody needs to learn how to use the library. And so those are really some of the avenues that you can contribute. But like I said, we're open for anything. Ideally, you know a little bit of JavaScript and React. Without knowing JavaScript and React, I think the library won't make a whole lot of sense. Other than that, you don't really need any skills. The library itself is written in just normal JavaScript with React. And the website, again, is a standard React website. It just uses React features like components and stuff. The content, of course, you'd have to know the library a little bit better to contribute to the documentation. You'd have to know some of the API and maybe have used it before. But other than that, that's really it. If any of this interests you, just head to the respective repos in our open source organization on GitHub, either the website one or the core one, and take a look at some of the issues. The easy ones, the good sort of beginner issues, are marked good first issue. So if you look for good first issues, you should totally be fine.